What's going on, everyone? It is January 11th, probably the nicest day of the winter here. It's 60 degrees here in Pittsburgh, and we are leaving, me and Avery, to go get my new truck in Branson, Missouri. We're gonna have one stop in Georgia and Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm just gonna time lapse our way through the airport, our travels, and yeah, we'll pick up my new truck. So let's see what it is. Alright, so our flight was like literally the first one at the gate, so there wasn't much of like a time-lapse tour. So Pittsburgh International Airport is pretty huge, so we're just going to, I'll do like a time-lapse if you've never been to a big airport before, just kind of like showing you what's all around. Have a little bit of everything, like restaurants and gift shops and like massage places and like bars, just everything. Pretty cool. So yeah.
Knockout. You win.
Alright, so we just found we just navigated the airport and got to where our next plane is, and there's no time with only an hour layover, so next stop will be in Missouri. See the truck. Alright, so we just touched down in Missouri. We got to the truck. Cody picked us up, and he's gonna cold start it for me now. He doesn't like driving in the snow. It doesn't snow here very much, but yeah, here it is, 7.3, 4-door long bed dolly. Give me the rundown.
Like I said, it ain't, I mean, you know, on the inside, man, it's just kind of a truck, you know?
Yeah. Holy moly, bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you, the ice.
Look at this. The ice. Yeah. All right, so give me the rundown. Tell us all what's, you know.
It's got the 17 bumper on it. It's got all new.
I don't know if we should turn it off so that way I can hear, like, get everything. Shut her down.
Yeah, it's noisy. Oh, and it's got high idle too.
All right, so this will be good for video and then for my memory too.
Yeah.
What's all done to it. So everything that you know.
Dude, it's in a
Not be overdone, you know?
It's in like a perfect position for someone to take it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of potential here.
That dual backup cam on it. New window rubber.
Yeah.
Stop at autos and get one.
Dude, this is like the exact opposite of Duramax. I'm used to like straight up. It's like over and straight up is reverse, and then it's 1 through 6. Still creeper. Stupid gear. So Pittsburgh to Atlanta to Springfield, Missouri, how much money can you fly with to buy your next dream truck? Alright, so one day later, I'm home with the truck. I kind of like rushed through work today because I was excited to drive it because I wanted to take and drop off my packages at the post office and to take it to the car wash, get all the road dirt, grime, salt off of it because we drove through so much snow. And I forgot when I did the video clip with the money that I wanted to tell you how much you could travel with, fly with through the airport, which is I had 10 grand cash on me that I took through the airport, but there is really no limit. They stress for you to not take a lot just for like your own security purposes. Internationally, anything over $10,000 they're going to question you on. But yeah, I went through security. They pulled me aside. I was like, here we go. But they just wanted to see my contact solution and check and make sure it wasn't alcohol or whatever. But yeah, no hassle at all for $10,000 through the airport. It just feels weird carrying that much money on you because I, pay for everything with my card. But yeah, what a crazy spontaneous trip though. This truck at first, when I'd first seen the pictures of it, I really didn't like it, but it just grew on me. It's the color I like, and it's just too clean. It's too clean. I couldn't let this go. It grew on me, and I talked to Avery. I was like, hey dude, I think I'm gonna go get this truck. And he's like, dude, I wish I could go with you. I was like, well, it'll be a Saturday, so you'll be able to, because he works throughout the week with his job. But he's like, dude, it's a Saturday. What flight was it? And I sent him the flight coordinates, and he went and booked it with me. So it's crazy to go on an adventure. It was like 700 miles flying and then like 800 home, and for one of my best friends to just drop with their weekend and go with me was so fun, and we had a blast the whole trip. Avery actually probably drove the truck more than I did. I could hardly get him out of the driver's seat. He loves this thing, wants to buy it off me, and I can't say I blame him. It's super nice. Cody, he came down $100 off the price, just being a nice guy. I was happy to pay him the $10,000. Actually paid him $9,900, but yeah, so pumped with this truck. It's just been a blast to drive. I was so excited to drive it today. It drove amazing the whole way home. It was fun to drive. I was never bored of it. Obviously Avery wasn't either, but it was a fun trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing.